Let's begin the systematic intake, documenting all lower body rust, heavy corrosion on rocker panels. Technicians apply the converter. It bonds with the bare metal surface. Watch as the trace rust turns dark gray. This process There's a micro deviation right here. I see it, the raking light doesn't lie. Marking it now. Perfect, it is ready. This 9H hardness coating creates a permanent bond. It delivers pure scratch and chemical resistance. The result is a flawless glass. Inside the cell, master technicians begin the teardown. Each component is systematically removed. Precision measurements determine the Precision machining restores this Lexus engine block to factory spec. A cylinder boring machine hones each wall, cutting a perfect crosshatch pattern. Every rebuild requires absolute precision. New clutch packs are meticulously stacked. Every seal and O-ring must be replaced. Aligning the powertrain takes true precision. Every connection must be perfectly secured.
We start at the turbocharger downpipe. Every flange connects with absolute precision, guaranteeing a perfectly symmetrical finish.
Every harness is meticulously assessed. We replace brittle wires and upgrade components, creating a high-performance electrical masterpiece. From engine bay to rear, we are aiming for perfect concert hall sound. Let us analyze the frequency response. Each frame is stripped to bare metal and primed. New multi-density foam is die-cut for precision. Specialists hand-carve. Each system receives its specific premium fluid grade. Synthetic engine oil fills the crosshatch safe zone. Caliper is bled properly. Installation begins with the multi-layer sound deadening. Diamond quilted carpet sets and the center console are installed next. Seats are positioned. We are integrating a massive touchscreen unit. This digital mirror replaces the conventional view, calibrating the full 360 view. This